Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add FAQ to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Squarespace, just scroll down below to the description on this video and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on Placeit website. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is FAQ. So let's go to the right corner, sign up for free. And you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right now in Placeit, you just want to write in search FAQ and just choose FAQ here, and let's create a widget. Now you want to search in FAQ accordion and categories. I'm going with a search in FAQ, but you can really choose which one you want template. Then you have question categories here that you can simply edit. How can I cancel my subscription? How can I change my plan later on? I'm going to choose a question. This is the way. This is the way. And as you can see, you can edit it like this. Now just click save, and right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And right here, what you want to do is just simply click plus, write code, and paste the code here. Really simple, really easy, and you got it. When I'm going to click done, save, I'm going to preview it, and it looks flawlessly. And it's also like the smooth in, smooth out is really pretty. So people, when they are going to read the FAQ, they won't get lost and they feel even good reading that. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.